everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Gomora from the 31st of May to the 4th of June 2021 on Monday. Melusi received some unexpected news and has to make a decision for his future. Teddy is determined to dig deeper and found out about Dawn on Tuesday. Gladys threatened to take down Sonto and Mazette overhears her. Ntokozo learns a shocking revelation. Teddy goes on a mission to find out if Dawn is homeless or not on Wednesday. Sonto's attempt at helping the community blows up in her face. Zodwa catches Teddy stealing her money. Melusi returns home but he's given a cold welcome on Thursday. Zodwa discovers that Dawn is homeless and unemployed. Gladys makes Sonto's life a living hell. Tati asks Melusi to keep Gladys out of Sonto's way or else Langa won't be allowed to visit him on Friday. The fight about Dawn between Zodwa and Teddy ends in tears for Zodwa. The tension between the Dlaminis and the Molefes is getting too much for everyone involved. Gladys has a revelation that rocks her world. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.